Hello friends, so welcome to this lecture on what are Azure Locks. So this would be a short lecture. Generally, I try to cover this topic because this generally feature which is provided by Microsoft of Azure Locks is uh, is often overlooked, but it's a great feature which can help organization uh, to protect in case of accident deletions of resources and really help in keeping the environment secure in case of any changes which are done really in the heat of movement or in case of migration or there are some changes or while performing any kind of hasty change or during hasty decisions. So, like I said, Azure Lock is a great feature provided by the Microsoft or in case of Azure Cloud, with the help of which organizations or individuals or security administrators they can basically lock resources to prevent any kind of unexpected changes. So, this lock feature is almost everywhere in the within the Azure. So this with the help of this you will be able to lock apply locks at the subscription level to a resource group, right, or a source to prevent any kind of other user in your organization from accidentally deleting or modifying your critical resources. So whichever, let's say if there is a VM and you think that okay, it is very critical and it's having sensitive data or having bidding information or such information which should be always available online. Let's say you can take the example of there is a for in case of pharma there is one website or a system which holds the report for patients for for critical illness. They have their online reports and you want that okay, such system should be available online, otherwise there could be a risk to someone's health or someone's life, so that should be on a top priority always. And in such cases you can use this feature wherein you can lock certain servers or instances VMs within the Azure, so that no one should be able to delete them accidentally or while performing their day-to-day duties. So even if that user would be having a high privilege access, let's say if this lock is applied to that particular server, he or she should not be able to delete that. So locks basically, or lock feature basically comes in two flavor. The first one is that cannot delete, and the other one is read only. So in case of cannot delete, authorized users can still read and modify a resource, but they'll not be able to delete a particular resource on which that resource this lock has been applied. The the read only, in case of read only, authorized users can read a resource, but they can't delete or update the resource. And in case of applying this lock is similar to like restricting all authorized users to permissions granted by the reader role. So in short, if really you want to note it down, so in case of cannot delete, the difference of we need to understand is when we say that this cannot delete, so using this we or user can perform changes, even they can add resources covered by the logs. However, no deletion operation is required in case of cannot delete. And in case of read only, logs do not apply, do not allow organizations or individuals to perform any changes at all, right, when they are applied. So, that is the key difference between the cannot delete and read only. So these are basically, this is feature which we have discussed that okay, it helps you to prevent the unexpected changes, and it really comes in two flavors, cannot delete and read only. So pretty short lecture friends, this is it in this lecture. I'll meet you in the next lecture. Thank you for watching.